Hi folks, Phil here again with another Phil's DIY video. I am fixing one of my CleanSense Bidet Toilet Seats. If you have seen my other video regarding a CleanSense Bidet seat, I have a video, I'll put a link here somewhere, and you can see me installing a new one. But this video is about the other one that I have, the old one, which is probably about 10 years old now, and it stopped spraying out of the little nozzle. And when I took it apart, I saw some leakage and corrosion on the nozzle assembly, so I went ahead and ordered a new one, and I'm putting that one in today. And if you like what I'm doing with my videos, please give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. And let's get to the video. All right, I am going to start disassembling the CleanSense Bidet seat because the nozzle has stopped spraying water. I did some troubleshooting and determined that this nozzle is clogged, and I bought a new one. I'm going to put that in today. So first thing to do is take off a couple of screws. Let's see if I can get this in the shot. There are two screws here on the back of the unit that are holding the unit together. Unscrew those two screws, and then there are a couple of tabs right here. If you push on those tabs, it separates the body shell. Okay, got that. Oh, we've got to take out the carbon air filter to do this, because that holds things in here, like so. There you have it. Next thing I have to do is to disconnect these wires so that I can work freely on the unit. Anyway, these plugs have little tabs on them. You just push the tab and it pops out. So that's that side. Just connector here. And lastly, this one here. That frees the seat part, and you're left with the electronics and the plumbing. This is the part that I have to remove. And let me get the best angle here so that you can see what's going on. Basically, this component has two sets of wires coming off of it. One here and the other one over here somewhere. I have to cut away the wire ties that are holding those wires on here. So let us first do this. Goes here. So this one has to be cut off. Okay. And the other is down here. So I've got to cut this off too. Okay. So that unplugs the unit from the control, and this whole thing will just pop. Oh, I do have to get the hose off here. There is a tube right in here that I have to remove before I can take this out. Okay, that tube that needs to be disconnected is right here. It's held on by this spring clip. So you just take that clip and scoot it off to the side, and that whole tube can be wiggled off. Like so. So this assembly is now fully released, and you have to work it out through the back here. And that's it. That's the old unit. So this part here shows signs of some leakage and some rusting. I'm not sure what this does, but it may have something to do with the fact that the nozzle wasn't spraying. Anyway, this is the part that I'm replacing with a new one. So it's just an easy pop it in place, plug it in, and close up the case, and we're done. So I'll try to show a close-up view here. So there are a couple of tabs on the new nozzle housing that slips under these brackets right here. There's one here and one there. You got to get it under there to make sure that it's firmly seated. Then the back end goes into a little slot, and the top of it is right here. And then I'm going to reconnect the tube onto there. Push the tube on all the way. Grab the spring clip. And then put it over the end of the tube and let go. And that's it. Okay, now that the assembly is fitted back into the slots, now I need to plug everything in here. And the second one goes up here. And this one goes up under this little clip here, as does this wire. And then the whole thing's going to get tied on with a wire tie. I'm going to install a few wire ties right here too. All right, I have my wire ties. So one will go right here. I'm going to bundle all these wires and hold them together here. Okay. Cut off the excess. And that's it. Now I put it back together and then put it all back onto the toilet. Okay, now I'm ready to put the case back together. These wires go right here. 1, 2, 3. This one goes to here. And this bundle plugs in right here. This one is a little tight, so I have to hold it up. Make sure it's firmly seated. And And then the whole thing gets closed. I'm going to turn it over. Like so. Okay. So that snapped shut. The only thing left is to put in these two screws right here. And that's it. Now I put it back onto the toilet. And it just slides onto and clips into the bracket that's already on there. There, it's clicked in. Got to connect the water line, which is right there. Just hand tight. Then of course turn the valve on. We'll plug it in. Water's flowing to fill the built-in tank. A little bit squirted to indicate that it's ready. Now I'm going to test it. So water should spray out of here. It's doing a pre-spray cleaning. Okay, there we go. So it's spraying. I've got my hand here, of course. Then if I let go of the seat, that's like saying I stood up. Then it sprays it, pushes a little bit more water out of there to clean the nozzle. And that's it. We're done. Well, that was a pretty easy, straightforward fix. The new nozzle assembly on my CleanSense Bidet Toilet Seat works fine now. Everything came apart and back together very easily and smoothly. No complications whatsoever. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And please, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, thanks again and see you in the next video.